My today's video is about world's general knowledge. So let's begin.
Capital of Russia is
Moscow.
WHO stand for
World Health Organization.
the only mammal that can fly is
Bat.
the length of adult human small intestine is
18 to 23 feet long.
national sports of China is
Table tennis.
famous book Gulistan was written by
Sheikh Sadi.
currency of Turkey is
Turkish lira.
highest military award of Saudi Arabia is
Order of King Abdul Aziz.
what was invented by F. Crick, James Watson and Franklin in 1953.
DNA structure.
First country to win World Cup football is
Uruguay.
name the tallest tree of the world.
Redwood.
Name the first computer virus.
Creeper.
The first newspaper in the world was started by
China.
hockey is the national sports of
Pakistan and India.
Name the method to separate a mixture of sand and naphthalene is
Sublimation.
When was the first Nobel Prize awarded?
1901.
Name the planet nearest to the Earth.
Mercury.
Labor Day is celebrated on
1st May.
National emblem of Pakistan is
Crescent.
the speed of Earth around the sun is
30 kilometers per second. Dear friends, I hope you like this video. Then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Then you have my new videos update. Okay, bye.